Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can free up the space with Dr.Fone. The best way to optimize the condition for your iPhone is to make space in the device. Deleting every unwanted thing from your device manually will take hours and until you make some considerable space. As an alternative, Dr.Fone Data Eraser iOS is a data optimizing iOS space saver tool to help you make space very quickly, and that is very much convenient for your iDevices. Erase junk files. Wondershare's Dr.Fone Data Eraser comes with a diversity of features that can be used to make space for your iDevices. To utilize the iOS space saver, find out how it can be done by following these steps as provided in the video below. Step 1. Open Data Eraser tool. Access the Data Eraser tool after launching Wondershare's Dr.Fone on your computer and connect your iDevice. From the available options on the left panel, select Free Up Space section. Step 2. Select Junk Files to delete. To erase junk files, select Erase Junk Files from the available list and let the platform analyze the condition of your iDevice. After a composite scan, all the junk data will be available on the screen in the categories. Checkmark the data files that you wish to remove and clean. Step 3. Successfully remove junk files. As the process concludes, a prompt screen appears. Showing its completion, you must restart your iDevice to save all the changes made to the device. If you wish to perform another round on the device, click Rescan at the bottom of your screen. Number 2. Uninstall useless apps in the batch. Well, when you initiate the Data Eraser tool on your computer and proceed to the Free Up Space section, you will find out the option of Erase Application in the list. Continue on the next screen to select unwanted apps from the identified applications and click Uninstall to execute the process. Number 3. Erase large files. Step 1. Scan large files on iDevice. From the Free Up Space section, select Erase Large File options to continue on the next screen. The platform automatically scans the connected device and starts displaying all the files that are large in size. Step 2. Filter large files and locate the drop-down menu from the top and select the available options of the format. Set a limit on the size with the option available on the top. This will filter out the specific files that are fulfilling both matrices. Select the data displayed on the screen and click Export if you wish to save it on your computer. To erase it from your iDevice, click Delete to execute the process. Number 4. Compress or export photos. Step 1. Access Organizing Photos tool. You need to select the Organize Photos option from the Free Up Space section in the Data Eraser tool. Continue on the next screen to select whether you wish to compress the entire photo gallery or to export the photos to your computer to create space in your iDevice. On clicking Start, the lossless compression process automatically starts. Step 2. Select the images to compress from the gallery. On the next screen, select the image that you wish to compress within the device without losing their quality. Before selection, you can select a date and continue with the selection of your images. Keep a check on the quantitative analysis of the space provided by the platform on the top. Once done, click Start button on the bottom right of the screen to initiate the entire process. Step 3. Choose pictures to export and delete. If not enough space has been freed up on your iDevice, you can export photos to PC and delete that from your iDevice. Click Export to continue. Photos of different dates are displayed on the screen after scanning process. Then select a date and select some of or all the photos and click Start. Step 4. Define the path to export and conclude. Set the path to save all the exported pictures and click Export to execute the process. Well, that's it for today's video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will be notified about all the new videos and the content that we are consistently uploading on our YouTube channel. Please comment down and let us know if you have any other specific topics in your mind that you want us to make videos on. Please make sure and give your feedback. We will see you in the next video.